To choose a raw virgin hair or remy hair, that's a question. Hello everyone, this is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video let's talk about which one to choose, the raw virgin hair or the remy hair. We're not talking about the non-remy hair because everyone knows non-remy hair is not a good material for hair. It's easy for tangling and shedding, right? So we're only talking about remy hair and virgin hair. Basically, the raw virgin hair is directly cut and it's a ponytail, so all the hair was cuticle aligned at the very beginning, so it just need wash and sanitize, wash, and that's it. So we have many type of raw hairs. Usually to waft it, we will do sanitizing and cleaning, washing, and then waft the hair. It's not completely raw because we have to make sure it's hygiene. Of course, we do have those completely raw which is not washed as well. If you like that kind of complete raw, you can also tell us and we can providing that type of hair. And the next type is remy hair. Remy hair is our remy hair is actually collected from mostly South East Asian and Indian hair. Those hair was not actually cuticle aligned at the very beginning. It's use a machine to make the hair on the same direction. It's processed to make it more softer and smoother, so it looks better and feels better. If raw virgin hair is so expensive, so why we should choose that type of hair? The first reason is it is so realistic. When you wear it, it feels exactly like your real hair. It's not processed at all. You can feel and you can see that all the cuticle is even there and it looks exactly like human hair. I remember one time I present a raw Chinese hair wigs to my friends, and actually when she see the hair, he say, wow, this is a real hair. He can tell that this hair is exactly human hair. The second reason is it's such a good quality, so you can use a long time. You can use it for 3 years, 5 years, even lifetime with your maintenance. The raw hair require more maintenance because the hair is 100% unprocessed with all the cuticles, so you have to maintain it pretty gentle and well. When you wash it, you cannot wash like this kind of ways, because if you wash all the way up and the cuticle will rub with each other and it may result in tangling, so you have to wash it very gentle, especially for the raw hair. Do not think that it's raw hair, so I don't have to maintain it pretty well, it can last long whatever I use it. That's wrong. Just because it's raw hair, it requires more careful actions. The remy hair is actually processed to be softer and smooth because everyone like softer and smooth hair, and this hair is much more financial friendly. So and also compared with other type of hair, this hair is pretty good quality as well. You can see many of our tests as well. You can wash it like anyway and it won't tangle. But in the long run, so this hair will not lasting so long time as per the raw hair anyway. So because it's processed and it's not 100% with the cuticles. You are aware yourself, you want a hair which is best and more realistic, you can go for the raw hair if you have enough budget. But if you want a hair which is more affordable and also in a good quality, it can last around a year or more, and you can just go for the remy hair. And look at this two hair, you can compare. This is raw hair, this is our remy hair. So we have two type of hair. Like I said, we also have bulk, we also have completely unprocessed raw hair. Bulk, if you are a wig maker and you want a bulk or you want a completely raw hair, you can also contact us for that. So when you purchase hair, you can tell us what kind of hair you want and how long you want to use it, what kind of budget you are looking for, and what kind of hair you are like. So we can customize as per your demand. So we can do whatever you like, and so don't be shy to tell us your demand so that we can providing the best for your. Thanks for your time for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe us, and thanks again. Have a nice day.